In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a client from FreshBooks in a quick and efficient manner. Whether you finished a project or need to tidy up your client list, knowing how to do this can really streamline your workflow. First, we need to make our way over to the FreshBooks website. You can find it easily through a Google search, or you can go directly to the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once there, you'll notice the login button on the home page. Give that a click. After clicking on it, the login page will appear. Here, simply enter your credentials. If you use a password manager, this part can be super speedy. Remember, keeping your login details secure is essential, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, we want to head over to the Clients section. You can usually find this in the navigation menu. When in the Clients section, you'll see a list of all your current clients. Scroll through your list to find the specific client you want to remove. If you have a long list of clients, you can use the search function to locate the client more easily. After you've found the client you want to delete, click on their name. Doing so will open up the client's profile, displaying all the details associated with that client. It's important to double check you've selected the correct client before proceeding. Once you're sure, look for the More Actions button. This is often located in the upper area of the client profile page. Once you click on More Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, you'll see Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. This is a crucial step, so make sure you're absolutely sure you want to remove this client, as this action cannot be undone. Finally, a confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you're certain about deleting the client. If everything checks out, click OK to finalize the removal. This pop-up is there to ensure you don't accidentally delete a client without meaning to. So take advantage of this final check. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully removed a client from your FreshBooks account. Make sure to repeat these steps if you need to remove more clients. Regularly updating your client list can help keep your account organized and prevent any accidental invoices from being sent to past clients. I hope you found this guide both clear and helpful. Streamlining your client list can truly make daily operations smoother and more efficient. Be sure to stay tuned for more FreshBooks tips and guides to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.